Hey guys. What's up, Chris? Update. I think it's the 23rd March. It's gonna be a nice driveway down here. There's actually another window going in right there. Casement. Coming right here. All this finished will come in right here. Insulation. Shower's going in. Garages. Nice deck. Put these sheds on here. Little deck sheds. Ready to put in the tubs. Okay. And these are the stairs we put in to the second floor. Same things, we're in rolls up. I think I can actually dial this back, yeah. Walls on that side. Walls on this side. Run them up. Another nice space here. All the heads. The other ones are down here. We have the cassettes. And then have room for our ERV.